All right, we're back. Okay, so it's Caslow, folks.
What up?
What up?
We're gonna show you guys how we made some parts from our new song.
We actually gave you guys like a little snippet of how we did this on like a Snap story or whatever it was. But I mean, we figured we'd go through and actually properly show everybody in case everybody wanted to replicate it in their songs or whatever.
Yep.
So anyways, we'll start at the basics. So new song hasn't been out yet, so no leakage, right? Okay, so vocal chops. What we did. It's just syllables and certain words that we cut up, put it in some sort of melody. That was decent. Yeah, that it wasn't horrible. Put it in, and then you want to pitch it up 12 semitones on whatever you're using. We just did it through the stock plugin. Whatever. So now you got that. Very high pitched, horrible. Now the next part, I don't want to play it because it's very loud.
Or just turn it down a bit.
Yeah,
maybe.
we'll turn it down. All right. Here. Where is it? Let's just put a gain knob at the top so our ears don't go to hell. All right. You probably don't need to do this. I don't really do it in the latest vocal chops, but it kind of depends on the vocal. But anyways, then you distort the hell out of it. All right, simple enough. And from there, I added some reverb, quite a bit actually. And from there, so there's this tool called Simplon by if I have a filter, right? I guess it's like the phone. Yeah, we use a phone preset on it. So then that cuts out most of the horrible stuff. So it makes it a little more common. Your ears are saved at that point. And then from there, compress it a bit. I mean, honestly, this whole chain is horrible. Like just the way it's put together, it's not good.
It works, but it was
Yeah, it works, but we have some other stuff where, like, honestly, if you change some of this out, it'll sound better. But it also kind of depends on what kind of vocal you're using. I noticed that for male vocals, sometimes you might even want to pitch this up like 24 semitones. But it also depends on, like, I know some people use, like, what is it, Little Altar Boy, right? Sometimes we do use it, so it kind of depends on what you're going for. I noticed Little Altar Boy or some kind of, like, plugin that can change format and pitch works better with male vocals than using, like, a stock plugin. So just heads up. Anyways, then we compressed it, and then I don't know why we did this again, but I guess
another one?
We added another filter. Oh, is this the same thing? Oh, we just opened up the highs. So now, instead of the bands being just Qs all the way up and down, little mountains, we added in a high pass. So now you get a little bit of shine, I think. No, not really. Yeah, this chain is something else. I don't think we needed all this stuff. But anyways, then after that we cut out those that were coming back in from the distortion. Yep, yet again, should have cut the lows up before hit the reverb. Nobody say anything. Horrible.
Signal flow.
Signal flow is really bad in this one. But yeah, I cut out most of the stuff that was really coming through. At this point, you should just have just one big resonating frequency that's just horrible to hear. That's all the vocal chops are, just one resonating frequency. And then we added in, put the gain back that we lost from all the filtering and stuff. And then I think
and then one last fucking filter for good measure.
Yeah. We added this is intro automation. So yeah, that was just like the intro, so you can hear something after. Just to come in. But then we added a sidechain compressor, I believe. Yeah, that way those two don't fight together when they're playing together. And it's more like a background thing. But anyways, after that you should have something like this. Or if you want to hear a little bit clearer. Oh, that one broke. It broke. You know what? I just realized I put the whole thing down. Did I? Did I? I did. Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Should we do that? Okay, there you go. Now you can hear. Alright, so. So pretty simple. There's probably easier ways of doing this, but whatever. You know. We'll keep updating you guys in case anybody wants to figure them out. But mess around, you'll probably figure it out. It's pretty easy to just come up with something that's Interesting. But anyways,
Yeah, that's
There
how we
you
did the
have it.
vocal drops.
yeah, that's how we did the vocal
Damn.
chops. Done.
Done. So we'll cut that video out, see how long that was.
All right, let's see.